Guys, Running Kimono here, and if you can run to Walmart if this is stuff that you need, I'm going to show you what I found this morning, and a lot of this stuff was like 75 or 90% off, really super uber cheap. You know where they have the back to school, like they have that little display towards the front cashiers near self-checkout? That's where you're going to find this stuff. And I'm going to talk about Brickseek really quickly if you want to type in some of these UPCs and to see if your store might have it, just to save you the gas, just do the research at home. So these, it's like a binder, it's in plastic, and then it has a little book, and then it has a folder in the back. These are originally like $9.99, and they're down to $1. So both the Lisa Frank one, and in some markets, this guy is ringing up for 10 cents. But here it was $1. And then we have the Office, also equally as funny. Same sort of thing, a little book, a binder, and then the little thing. And this was also $1. So I got a whole bunch of those. I mean, if you love The Office, you'll love these. And then how stinking cute is this? $1 each. Some markets, I know in Utah, they were ringing up at 10 cents in certain stores. So this is definitely one. Type in the UPC and I'll talk about Brickseek right here. Okay guys, so here are the UPCs. This is for the Lisa Frank binder. So here's the UPC. Grab a screenshot of it or write it down. And then here is the Office. To answer a quick question, if you wanted to use the Walmart app to order it in the store and then pick it up, that's not how it works. It's going to ring up for $9.97 through the app. So this is the website. It is called brickseek.com. It's 100% free to use this site because you have all the information. See where it says SKU UPC? I'm providing you the UPC. So you would click on UPC, type that in right there. And then next to it, you have the zip code. And then to the very right, it says check inventory, that blue button. And that's what you will hit to see what your store might have, or if you might have to travel a little bit to a different store to find these products. It's just basically a guide. It is not the gospel. I think like probably 4 out of 10 times I find stuff with this site. Sometimes it's in a box in the back room and they will not find it for you. But don't forget to type in your zip code. I'm in California today. I thought it was kind of like the thing that popped into my head. I'm like, let's try California for fun. Because I know here where I live in Michigan, it's $1. So that price is not very sexy. So just typing in California or Los Angeles. Here it is. In Burbank, it was 10 cents, and I think somebody hit it really hard. That is 99% savings, which is awesome. Over in Downey, it's $2.50, so 75% off. And then I got it for $1, which is still a killer price point considering you're getting a binder, a folder, and then a book with paper in it. Okay, so if you are an extreme couponer, you have extreme stuff in your stockpile, perhaps, you know, bottles of shampoo or, you know, cleaner, that sort of stuff, and you need to store it somehow. And look how beautifully these guys stack. So if you got a couple of these and you're working with an apartment or a smaller space, you could stack them on top of each other. I found this when I was walking right into the store, and they also had this in the back to school section as well. So these were all $1 each. I think the original price point for these were $4.97. I'll tell you a little confession. A couple weeks back, I was thinking about buying one for stockpile stuff, and I'm like, I'll just wait till they go on clearance. But the last couple times these guys have gone on clearance, what's happened to me is somebody else goes and buys all of them. I only got 5, and they had a whole display of them. They have them when you're walking into the store or with the back to school stuff. And the back to school section was also looking pretty bare as well. But you could put razors in here, detergent, whatever you want, and stack them. And especially if you're working in a small space or if you want everything color coordinated, hey, you know, do something like that. And I got this beautiful teal color and then this navy blue. And then for smaller items, I found this little itty bitty one. Same by the company Sterilite, and this guy was 50 cents. So all of this, I think before tax was like $13.50 and totally worth it. Huge savings. And if you're looking for like a cute little binder, if you can get it for 10 cents, that's the winner chicken dinner. But even at $1 for a product that's $9 and, you know, some change, this is still a really good deal. Good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.